mukbanger. Y'all see that? Okay.
Missing someone.
Okay. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We've got Chloe here. She's barking at our freaking iron thing. Ooh, it's hot. Yee! So today's exciting. I just got my hair done. I'm back to dark hair. This is weird. I just really wanted to have dark hair for winter time. We've got Chloe here, and she's also getting a hair makeover. She's getting her first grooming haircut, and I'm so excited. She's gonna probably look ugly after her haircut, but at least we can say we tried it. Let me show y'all her new trick. Chloe, ready? Sit. Ah! Sit. Shake. High five. Spin. Spin. Yeah! Spin! Spin! Good job. She's like, bitch, you wouldn't give me nothing. I'm currently in Char's room because Chloe doesn't want to get out of here. Isn't it weird to see me with dark hair again, though? We're taking Chloe to her groomer's appointment now. I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I just really wanted to show y'all Chloe getting her first haircut. Okay, Chloe, we'll see you after your haircut, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Alright, y'all, I pray she doesn't come back with a whack haircut. I just picked up some crumble cookies. I've never had this before, so I'm really excited to try it. We're gonna go home and we're gonna try it at home. Chloe's haircut's gonna take like 2 hours, so yeah. Alright, we're gonna try crumble cookie. Wow, guys, this looks so freaking good. The first one is confetti cake, the classic sugar cookie, the chocolate chip. This last one is their honey bun. I heard they're pretty good, but I also heard they're overhyped. I will be the judge of that because I freaking love cookies. I'll try the chocolate chip one first. Chocolate chip, I give it a 6 out of 10. Honey bun. Sorry, y'all, there's a lot of noise outside. I like honey bun because it tastes like a cinnamon bun. That is really good. Classic sugar. I love sugar cookies, so I'm probably gonna like this. 10 out of 10. And 10 out of 10 for the honey bun. Alright, let's try the confetti cake. I'm a mukbanger. Y'all see that? Okay. Confetti cake is so good. Tastes like an actual cupcake. Crumble cookie, I give you an 8 out of 10. But I think that's more so my fault because I prefer my cookies really like fresh. Currently shipping out a Poshmark order. I've been trying to sell my clothes. So guys, I will link my Poshmark down below so that y'all can check out my closet. I just really need to get rid of a lot of my clothes so that I don't have to bring it all to my new place. I'm packing this purple skirt. Put it in here. Yay. It's always important to add some kind of thank you, so I will be using the sticker that says thank you. Boop. She's so fluffy! Can y'all tell, like, her fur looks so freaking soft. Chloe looks so cute. Currently getting a smoothie bowl. I'm at Nectar. She's my little old man. Alright, y'all, so I'm back home. I've made many trips today, but I got myself an acai bowl. And I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's from Nectar. Nectar juice bar in Woodbury. I got this bowl. My best friend made it. I don't think this is something that is on the menu though, so I'm not really sure how you would ask for it, but yeah, let me just eat it. I usually don't like blueberries, but blueberries are so good in this. Everything about this is just perfect, you know? All meant to be together. But Chloe got her hair cut. Tell me why she looks like an old man. Why you look like an old man, my baby? I kind of want to take pictures later, but I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do later. Hi guys, so I'm with Shaw and we're gonna take some Instagram pictures. We have not been taking many pictures these days. Dude, we're matching. I know, right? Look at us, twinning or whatever in our own way. I just spent like an hour editing my pictures so I could post them on Instagram, but I'm gonna be making HelloFresh today. We're gonna be making saucy pork burrito bowls and they look like this. new pictures, y'all. So go follow my Instagram, cause who even is that? So the food is ready. There's rice at the bottom, some pork. We're currently watching the rest of Nevertheless episode 9. I watched a little bit this morning, but I gotta finish the episode. I'm so excited to eat this. This is really good. Wow, this is really freaking good. Make sure you guys try this one from HelloFresh because it is honestly the best one I've tried from them. And all of them are good, but this one's so good. I feel like this show is getting nowhere. They have the worst communication skills. Even if they end up together at the end, it's just not gonna work out. Nevertheless is the most stupid Korean drama I've ever seen. The people are so toxic and I'm here for it. Their communication is literally the worst I've ever freaking seen in a Korean drama, and I want them to be together, you know, the main characters, but even if they get together, it's not gonna work out, but I still want to see them together. Hi guys, so I really wanted to show you guys my mom's new shop. She now has 2 locations, and the second location is literally, oh my god, so beautiful. And so I kind of just wanted to insert this clip at the end of this vlog, but also your girl went to Caribou today, and I did not know that Caribou and Starbucks are so different in terms of menu. And I'm actually not like a coffee drinker at all, but recently coffee has been really good, or you know, like, you know what I mean. I got the caramel high rise ice, 2 extra pumps of vanilla as well. All right, review of the color of the straw. Oh, this is my favorite color. What the heck? How did they know? That is so mother trucking good. That is so good. I wish I got 1 more pump of vanilla. Alright guys, let's go look at my mom's shop. So I'm inside my mom's shop, and oh my god, it is gorgeous. As you walk in, this is what you see. And of course, you guys know my mom is my hairstylist, and the fact that this salon, hair studio, brow studio is so freaking nice. I am so proud of my mom. Like, oh my god guys, this is so gorgeous. So if any of you guys ever want to get your eyebrows microbladed, get your hair done, make sure to contact Micro Pigmentation Hair Studios, because this is where y'all could be getting your eyebrows done. Like, it's so nice in here. Also guys, this is my mom. Are you planning to do hair in this salon too, or this studio?
I probably will eventually.
So at the moment, this place is more so brow studio, right? Oh my goodness, mom, the lighting in here is very, very good on my camera. Yeah, it looks.
Oh my gosh, it looks so nice.
Also, in case you guys are wondering, the person who did all the decorations was Lux Event Planning Decor. I'll put their name right here. They did such a good job.